Let's take a look inside the box. The white gift box is now stronger and more durable. The watercolor paints, under Insparea brand, are now master level with 12 carefully selected hues, perfect for mixing a full range of colors. In the linen bag, you'll find paper swatches, color abbreviations, a 25 milliliters masking pen, and a small piece of paraffin wax. The squirrel imitation brushes are of excellent quality, with tips that stay sharp even after extensive use. The workbook's second edition features 17 lessons on premium 140 pounds cotton watercolor paper, which resists buckling even when pre-washed, making painting in the book much more enjoyable. These master-level paints are crafted with premium pigments and binders, delivering brilliant mixing results and vibrant color intensity. The instructions have been edited for greater clarity, and the reference photos now better match the original paintings. The book includes completely new color mixes, offering fresh inspiration even for those who've used the first edition. The paper holds color beautifully as it dries, letting you enjoy vibrant results that are perfect for framing or gifting. The paper features perforations, making it easy to remove from the book. Take a look at some of the stunning paintings created with this kit.